Ugh, I don't want to go to school. It's so boring, like always. I can't think of anyone else than my mom that's honestly in love with school. Oh, here she comes. I can hear her loud ahead, footsteps getting louder and louder.
Get downstairs now. Your brother is already making everyone breakfast. You know you're going to your new school. Ya nervous or something?
No?
KK, then get downstairs then. Period.
At school, I'm pulling the fire alarm, even though it's my first day. I'm pretty nervous.
Oh, come on. The school isn't bad.
Okay, if you say so. This is my chance.
3, 2, 1.